Zion, still surviving. We met like sons and daughters of Zion, faithful hearts in fragile times, bound by pain, not by design. Two broken souls in borrowed light. I held your love with half my heart, another shadow tore apart. You loved me blind, you loved me true, didn't see the chaos I fell into. Oh, we were children, lost and trying, sons of Zion, still surviving. We thought we had it all, we thought we had it all. Never met your parents' eyes. You bled for love, I ran from mine. Too young to know the weight of time, too wild to see the warning sign. That I tried to save you, but I drowned. You tore me up, I shut you down. You cried, I stayed, I cared somehow, but love was gone, just mercy now. Love was gone, mercy now. I cursed the past, I cursed my pride, got the grace that kept me alive. You never listened, I never prayed. We both just broke in our own way. Oh, we were children, lost and trying, sons of Zion, still surviving. We thought we had it all, we thought we had it all. Someday I see your face again. Let it be peace, not love and pain. No promise made, no vow to stay, just quiet hearts along the way. Not ready yet, not today.